Many people want to start their own business, but think it takes a lot of money and don't know where to start. Starting a business can be challenging, especially when you have limited financial resources. But with the right strategies and approach, it's possible to launch a business with little money. In this video, we'll discuss 6 tips that can help you create and launch a business with minimal financial resources. Step 1. Identify your idea. The first step in starting a business with minimal funds is to identify your idea. Your idea should solve a problem or meet a need in the market. It could be a product, both physical and digital, or a service. Once you have identified your idea, you should research and validate it to ensure that there is a market demand for it. Many influencers share the same strategies, such as affiliate marketing, YouTube automation, day trading, ChatGPT, copywriting, and so forth. But many of these have long since outgrown their demand, making it extremely challenging to be successful. If you don't know how to find ideas for your product or service, subscribe, hit the bell, and stay tuned for my next video on how to find new business ideas. Next step. Step 2. Use what you have. One of the keys to launching a business with minimal funds is to use what you have. You don't need to have a lot of money to start a business. You can leverage the resources that you already have, such as your skills, knowledge, and network, which we will get more into later. Step 3. Create a minimum viable product, MVP. Creating a MVP, or minimum viable product, is another essential step in launching a business with minimal funds. An MVP is the simplest version of your product or service that you can create with minimal resources. It allows you to test the market demand and get feedback from customers before investing more resources into the business. Step 4. Bootstrap your business. Bootstrapping is a common approach for launching a business with minimal funds. Bootstrapping means starting and growing your business with minimal external funding. You can do this by keeping your expenses low, using free or low-cost tools and resources, and reinvesting your profits from something like your MVP back into the business. Step 5. Focus on your customers. It's essential to focus on your customers. Your customers are the lifeblood of your business, and their feedback and support are crucial to your success. Listen to your customers' feedback and use it to improve your product or service. Also, focus on building relationships with your customers and providing excellent customer service. It's easier to make a customer return than to make a new one. Step 6. Community and network. This might be the most important step if you ask me. Your community and network is one of your most valuable resources when launching a business with minimal funds, as this allows you to get free exposure to like-minded people. This step is really hard for many to do, but reach out to family, friends, colleagues, and online communities and ask for their feedback on your product or service. If they like it, convert them into your first customers by charging a small amount from the start to use your product or service. Never give it away for free. It's very difficult to get people to pay for something they previously had free access to. Conclusion. Starting a business with minimal funds can be challenging, but it's possible if you follow these 6 tips. Remember to identify your idea, use what you have, create an MVP, bootstrap your business, focus on your customers, and leverage your community and network. With hard work, persistence, and time, you can turn your business idea into a profitable venture. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful.